Are you tired of your text messages with your Android friends being dull? In this video, I am going to show you how to enable RCS on your iPhone running iOS 18. By the end of this video, your messages with your Android buddies will consist of read receipts, typing indicators, and having the ability to send higher quality photos and videos. Let's get started. The way to enable RCS is to open your settings, and you want to go to the messages settings. You can either do that from the top, or in iOS 18, you can scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, tap on search, and then just type messages. Once we are on the messages screen, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the text messaging section. Tap on RCS messaging and make sure that toggle is on. Once you enable that, you can go to any one of your messages here. The way you will know that this message is going to be sent via RCS is by your text field here. It will say text message RCS. And that is how you would be able to enable RCS and take advantage of those features. So that is it. That is how to enable RCS. In case you want to turn it off, you have that option. One thing you want to keep in mind is that the implementation that Apple has done for iOS 18 does not make the RCS conversation end-to-end encrypted. So you definitely do not want to be sending anything personal that you don't want others to intercept. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. It really helps me out. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.